Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the Pythagorean triplets. This is a very important question and is definitely going to come in your half-yearly exams. We'll be solving two examples in the video. For finding the Pythagorean triplets, we should know the general formula for finding the triplets, which is 2m, m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. So these are the three general Pythagorean triplets. This is a general formula, means 2m can be equal to 12, m square plus 1 can be equal to 12 or m square minus 1 equal to 12. Because we have been given one of the Pythagorean triplets, we can equate any of the numbers with 12. So as 12 is an even number, it will be easy to equate it with 2m. So we can say that let's 2m equals 12. So from here we can find the value of m. M will be 12 divided by 2, which equals 6. We got the value of m from this expression. We can use this value of m to find the other two numbers. So other two numbers in the triplets will be m square plus 1, which will be equal to 6 square plus 1, which equals 6 square will be 36 plus 1, which is 37. And the other number will be m square minus 1, which equals 6 square minus 1 equals 36 minus 1 equals 35. 37, 35 and 12 will be our three triplets. So final answer will be 12, 35 and 37. These are the three triplets for number 12. Let us solve one more example and find Pythagorean triplets for another number which is not even this time, which is an odd number. So this time we are going to find the Pythagorean triplet for number 15. First of all, we'll write the general formula for finding the Pythagorean triplets, which is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. These are the three Pythagorean triplets. Out of the three Pythagorean triplets, we have been given one of the triplet, which is one of the number which is 15. As 15 is an odd number, if we'll make 2m equals 15, we'll get a decimal number or a fraction. If we'll equate m square minus 1 equal 15 or make m square minus 1 equal to the triplet number 15, then our calculation will be easy and will not get a decimal number. So m square minus 1 equal 15, which will give us m square equals 15 plus 1 or m square equals 16 or m equals 4. So now we can use this value of m to find the other Pythagorean triplets. So the other triplets will be m square plus 1, which equals 4 square plus 1 equals 16 plus 1 equals 17. So we have m square minus 1 equals 15, m square plus 1 equals 17, and we have left with 2m. So 2m will be 2 times 4, which equals 8. So third triplet number will be 8. All the three numbers will be, so the Pythagorean triplets for number 15 will be 8, 15 and 17. So this is how we find the Pythagorean triplet numbers if one of the numbers is given. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.